Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's do the final tour of the courtyard. Let's go. So this is the jasmine. It's grown a bit since 2 weeks ago. I did, since last time, I did plant some begonias in there. And petunia, white petunia. And I added some wall art that I thrifted here in town. And here are the cannas. And I planted this annual, the Plandarinea. And I also planted this Proven Winners Hollywood Hibiscus Rico Suave. And I'm gonna try to winter it over. Hopefully it'll come back by covering for the winter protection. And it hasn't opened up, flowered yet, but you can see the buttons are right there. And it's a yellow flower with the red center. And it's good for hummingbirds. They love this plant. And over here, the calla lilies are growing. And the petunias, the alyssum, the dianthus looks good. And the Proven Winners Coral Bells Double Grapefruit Magic. They look nice. And the Lero Muscari. And pansies and dianthus. And the Pinball Wizard Alien. It's in the middle. It hasn't come up yet. And I also planted this lantana. That's the color. And the cannas. Doing good. Dianthus. Wallflower. Salvia. This marigold. And the rose. I did fertilize the rose. This is going to be the second season. It didn't grow that much last season. It was a bare root. It flowered like 3 flowers, but this year I fertilized it. And I'll put what I use below, the fertilizers I used. And let's see how it does this season for her. These are more Super Bells, Double Grapefruit Magic from Proven Winners. Nail rope. And the Pinball Wizard Allium. There's a little growth right there. It's coming up. And with the petunias and dianthus, alyssum, and pansies. And this is another calla lily coming up with annuals around it. The same as the other part. And the oriental lilies that I planted in December are growing, and zinnias they're looking good. And she had a landscaping company come and do irrigation for the pots when I put them in last time. And my husband just did some of the irrigation for the new pots we added. This is the salvia. It flowers light purple color. And this right here is decorations and her water fountain. And this is for Easter. I decorated right here for Easter. And her door. And that wall art, I also thrifted in the same thrift store that I got this stuff. And this is the stuff she had already here. And chimes. And then this is how it looks. And then this, I added this too. The sun she already had. And I just added these right here that I also got from the thrift store in town. And this one I got from Home Goods. And this is the Proven Winners Super Tunia Lovey Dovey. That's an annual. Oh, I love this. We had this, we light up the candles and it looked so nice last night here with the candles. And those same I got them also at in the thrift store in town, and they're floating candles, and they're the same ones that are on the top right there. And looks so nice. And the watering bowl for the pollinators, bees, butterflies, hummingbirds. And it's looking good. The alyssum is looking good. The boxwood, pansies. And this is stock. It's an annual. The marigold, the holly, petunia, alyssum, and this is the stock, an annual. And this is the, put it for her this last week, the Carl Forster grass. It's a perennial. Here are the pups. Molly, Mona, Valentine, and Bella. Well, that's the tour of the courtyard. Thank you for watching and touring the courtyard with me. I hope this gives you some ideas for your projects in planting containers. See you next time.